Hi students, now I am going to give wonderful trick, that is trick to find solubility order. It is very much important. Generally in competitive examination like NEET examination and JEE examination, you will get MCQ like this. Which one of the following is more soluble in water? Sometimes identify what is the correct solubility order. Sometimes which one more basic. So generally you will get questions like this. So most of the students getting confusion, sir, how to find out correct solubility order and how to find out which one contain more basic, like that. So that's the reason now I am going to give wonderful trick, that is a solubility trick. So just 2-3 minutes, listen very properly, you will get full clarity. Clear na? So let's begin the class. So first, what is our trick? Solubility order. Solubility order. So listen very carefully students, how to find out solubility order. How to find out solubility order. Generally in examination you will get a question like this: NaF, NaCl, NaBr, NaI. Out of 4, which is more soluble in water? Out of 4, which is more soluble in water? So students getting confusion, NaF or NaCl or NaI. So after the trick, you will give answer in very easy manner. I am sure you are going to give the correct answer after the trick. So next, sometimes in examination they will ask like this: LiOH, NaOH, KOH, RbOH. So out of 4, which is more basic nature? So now you are getting confusion, but after the trick you would never get confusion. So listen very properly. So I am going to give the trick. So just look at the board students. First, if you want to understand solubility order, you need to understand small size anion and large size anion. That is very much important. Clear na? Yeah. Just a minute. So first, try to write down this one. Large size anions. What are the large size anions? Large size means more atomic size. So meaning I minus, next NO3 minus, CO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, etc. What is etc? End of thinking capacity. In our chemistry language, enjoy the chemistry, etc. meaning enjoy the chemistry. Okay students, each and every student remember this one. What are the examples of large size anions? I minus, NO3 minus, CO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, etc. These are the best examples of large size anions. Now I am going to give small size anions. This is also very much important. Small size anions. So what are the best examples? F minus, OH minus, N minus 3, C minus 4, etc. These are the best examples of small size anions. Most of the students getting confusion. Sir, how can you say this is a large size anion? How can you say this is small size anion? Very simple. Dear students, what are the halogens? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Halogen is nothing but non-metal. Non-metal is nothing but more electronegative. More electronegative means negative charge, like this. So देखो students, in our periodic table, top to bottom size increases. Based on that point, size increases. Down the group, matlab top to bottom. So top to bottom size increases. So this is the example of large size anion and this is the example of small size anion. Clear na? Okay. So this is very simple. If you go through periodic table, you will get clarity. What is the definition of atomic size? What is the left to right and what is the top to bottom condition? Left to right atomic size decreases. Top to bottom atomic size increases. This point is fixed. Based on this point, this one is arrived. Clear na? Right. Next. So large size anions and small size anions completed. Next, I am going to give one more trick. The trick is solubility directly proportional to basicity. Basicity also one of the necessity topic. Solubility directly proportional to basicity. So that indication, if you get solubility order, automatically you will get basicity order also, like buy one get one, bumper offer. Okay, anyhow, asal what is the trick? These are the basic rules. What is the trick? This is the trick. Increase the size of, एक second, just a minute. Increase the size difference between cation and anion. Increase the size difference between cation and anion, then increase the solubility. What is the trick, student? Increase the size difference between cation and anion, then increase the solubility. So cation and anion, ये दोनों का बीच में साइज डिफरेंस बढ़ गया तो solubility बढ़ते. That is the meaning. This is for Hindi students. This point is for Hindi students. Yeah. For Telugu medium students, క్యాటయాను యానయాను ఈ రెండోటి మధ్య సైజు ఎంత పెరిగితే సాల్యుబిలిటీ అంత పెరుగుతుంది. క్లియర్నా? ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ద సైజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ క్యాటయాన్ అండ్ యానయాన్, ఇంక్రీజ్ ద సాల్యుబిలిటీ. ఓకే, సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ ఫస్ట్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So listen very carefully. First A is nothing but alkali metals. Alkali metal is nothing but a positive charge. So first means it gets 1 plus, like Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Rb plus, Cs plus. Dear students, out of all, which is the small size cation? Here which is the small size cation? Obviously Li plus. Which is the large size cation? Cesium plus. These are the basics. Okay na? So if you want to understand the chemistry, first you need to understand basics. Without basics you can't understand chemistry and physics. So this is the top, this is bottom. So top to bottom size increases. So this is the large size cation and this is the small size cation. Clear na? So you need to understand cation size also. Clear? Right. So next I am going with examples. Next I am going with examples. Listen very properly. Just 2 minutes, students. Just 2 minutes. Just look at the board. First, once again, large size anions. What are the examples? I minus, NO3 minus, CO3 minus 2, SO4 minus 2. Just keep in your mind. Next, small size anions. What are the examples? F minus, OH minus, N minus 3, C minus 4. Clear na? Okay. Next, so in examination they are going to ask a question like this. First one, which is more soluble in water? Here solubility order is nothing but soluble in water only. You need to check it. Which is more soluble in water? Option A, LiF. Option B, LiCl. Option C, LiBr. Option D, Li. Okay students, how to find the answer? So if you want to find the answer, you need to focus on first option and last option. These are the deciding factors. Clear na? First I am going with first option. So dear students, LiF, how it can break? Li is nothing but metal, F is nothing but non-metal. Metal means positive, non-metal means negative. So it becomes like this, Li plus F minus. Next, LiI, how it can break? Same logic, Li plus I minus. Okay students, now you need to use the brain. Li plus small size cation, small size, SS बोले तो small size, F minus बोले तो वो भी small size, but this is anion, this is cation. So small size cation, small size anion. So next, Li plus small size cation, I minus large size. देखो students, I minus बोले तो large size, F minus बोले तो small size, a large size. Dear students, what is our trick? Increase the size difference between cation and anion, increase the solubility. Increase the size difference between cation and anion, increase the solubility. बोले तो cation anion दोनों का बीच में जितना साइज वेरिएशन आया तो उतना सॉल्युबिलिटी बढ़ते. అంటే క్యాటయాను యానయాను రెండోటి మధ్య ఎంతైతే దూరం ఉంటుందో అంత సాల్యుబిలిటీ పెరిగినట్టు. జస్ట్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద బోర్డ్. స్మాల్ సైజు స్మాల్ సైజు, స్మాలు there is no size difference. Smaller, large, there is a size difference. That indication this is small size and this one is a large size. So here you will get size difference. You will get size difference means this one is more soluble in water. So answer D is the correct answer. So देखो students, which is more soluble in water? Out of 4, which is more soluble in water? D option is correct. Lithium iodide more soluble in water. Why? Because size difference between cation and anion. Lithium plus is small size, I minus is large size. This is the trick. Is it clear students? If it is clear, I am going to give one more example, one more question. Which is more soluble in water? Option A LiOH, option B NaOH, option C KOH, option D CSOH, cesium. Just look at the board students. Which is more soluble in water? Same logic, first one, last one, you need to check it. LiOH is nothing but Li plus OH minus. CSOH is nothing but CS plus OH minus. Dear students, OH minus both are constant, common factor. So OH minus is nothing but small size. So this is small size and this one also small size. Everybody knows lithium plus is nothing but small size. Everyone knows CS plus is nothing but large size. Then answer is D. Why? Because cesium plus is nothing but large size, OH minus is nothing but small size. So there is a size difference, but here small, there is no size difference. That indication this is least soluble in water, this is more soluble in water. Is it clear so far? Yes, very good. Dear students, and one more important point, already I told you, solubility directly proportional to basicity. Okay, what is the meaning? More soluble is nothing but more basic. So suppose if in examination if you get which is more basic in more basic nature, then answer is same, D only, CSOH. Why? Because solubility directly proportional to basicity. Basicity is nothing but solubility, solubility is nothing but basicity. Clear na? This is called buy one get one. Okay na students? Yeah, take a small break. I will upload continuation topic, one more video. Bye for now, see you again.